Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss common interview problems on a list. List is a data structure that stores the ordered collection of elements which are mutable, which means we can create, add and remove the elements from a list. These are the problems that we are going to cover on. Finding duplicate elements, removing duplicate elements. Like this, we have some problems. Okay, first we are going to see the first problem. Find duplicate elements. For finding the duplicates, we are taking another list named duplicates. If we found that the count of the each element is greater than 1 and it is not stored within duplicates, so we are appending the element that is having more than frequency 1. We are going to append it into the duplicates list. And now we are seeing a second problem, removing duplicates. For removing duplicates, here we are using a set as a set data structure for to find out and get the unique elements, and we are again converting it back into the list, finding the set elements and converting it back into the list and storing the result, and it would fetches all the remove duplicate elements. Okay, and in the third problem we are finding the largest number. Initially we are considering the largest number as the initial number, and we are traversing through all the numbers, and if we found any largest number than the current, and if the current number is the largest one, then we have to update the uh, largest variable with this current number and print that largest number. Okay, and in the problem 4 we can finding the second largest number. In this we have to uh, find first number and both first maximum number and the second maximum number. Both are initially pointing to the negative infinite, traverse through all the numbers, and if we found any number which is larger than first, then store the second into the first maximum number and the first into the current number. Why? Because we are storing the oldest large number into the second one. Got it? And in the second condition we have to check whether the number is between first and second, and store that current number into the second largest, reversing a list. For this approach we are implementing the 2-point approach. The first point is at the left and the second point is at the end of the list. Here we have one condition. Until unless the condition will true, it will swap the indexes left and right. Each time it would moves the left to the right and right point to the left until it completes until uh, until the reverse is converted into the reverse list, and we are printing it out the list. Find missing number. If we see this nums list here, it is missing number 4 from the list. Here we have one formula uh, that can find out the expected sum. From the expected sum we have to remove the actual sum, and finally we will get the missing number, and we will print that number, moving zeros to the end. The next problem. we have one result in which it would store all the numbers that are moved to the that moves all the zeros to the end of the list. In this, we have to traverse through all the numbers. If it is not equivalent to the 0, then store it into the result list. And zeros here it is used for finding out the number of zeros within our list, and add those number of lists to the result and print the result finally. Rotate list by k times. Okay. Here in this problem, we have to move the last k number of elements to the front. So for that we are applying the slicing operation. Like first we have to fetch all the last k number of elements 4 and 5. For example, if we take k equivalent to 2, then it would first we have to print those store that last elements and the remaining elements, like it is moving these two elements to the front by using this slicing operation. Next problem is palindrome list. In this problem, we have to find out whether the list of integers is a palindrome list or not. So for that, we have to check the numbers that we given is same as in the from the reverse list also. We have to find out if both are same, then we can say it is a palindrome and print it as true. And in the last problem, we have to find out the intersection of two lists. For this, we are taking two lists, A and B, and storing the result within a result list. Each time we have to traverse through the first list, and we have to check whether the elements that are within the first list are inside in the second list. Like we have to compare whether the elements that are within first list are are placing in are there or not. We have to check in a second list, and if it is there, then we have to append the number to the result list and print the final result. Yeah, that's all about the list. And if we can run this, then we can see the output for all the problems. In the first problem, we see that what are all the duplicate elements, and in the second list, we see that removing duplicates by using set largest number and finding out the second largest number, reversing a list by using a two-point approach, missing number, and moving all the zeros to the end. Rotate list by k times by using we done this by using slicing method. Palindrome list, like we have to find out whether the current list and reversal list both are same or not. If it is true, then return true. Insertion of list. Okay, we have to find out the common elements between two lists and print uh, print those numbers. That's all about intersection of list. These all I can say that these are all following the say, four patterns within this list. First one is the traversal, like we have to traverse from across the list one by one, and we had seen the two pointers for reversing a list. And in the third, in some problem, we have used the mathematical formula to find out the missing number. And coming to the frequency checking, these are all the 4 patterns I can say that use within across many list problems. These patterns that is enough to solve any list data structure problems. Yeah, that's all about the video. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.